while the sample rate indicates how frequently the oscilloscope samples input signal within one waveform, the waveform capture rate refers to how quickly an oscilloscope acquires waveforms. Waveform capture rates vary greatly depending on the settings and the performance level of the oscilloscope. All oscilloscopes have an inherent dead time between each waveform acquisition, when it is processing the previously acquired waveform. During the oscilloscope's dead time, any signal activity that may be occurring will be missed. Because of oscilloscope dead time, capturing random and infrequent events becomes a matter of statistical probability. After understanding the oscilloscope update rate, let's measure it. Connect one scope to a function generator and find the aux-out output of this scope. Connect it to another oscilloscope. Generate a 2 MHz sine waveform. Adjust time base to 15 nanoseconds. Set this scope's memory depth to auto and display persist to auto. Open another oscilloscope's frequency meter. Get reading around 130 kHz. So, we get the maximum waveform capture rate of this scope is around 130,000 waveforms per second.